Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Tomar and welcome back to my channel. So friends, today I am going to make a double player football game in Scratch. So if you want to learn Scratch, so like and subscribe to my channel. So let's make the game. First, I will show you the demo of this game. So now I will show you the demo of this game. To start the game, we have to click on start. So friends, you can see that how to play this game. So first I will open Scratch in my PC. Now we have to click on first link. Now then create. First we have to took the background. So for this I will go to this backdrop option. If you want to take backdrop, so you can also take, but I will paint my own. So I will click here, go to backdrop. I will click here and select the color of my backdrop. And now I will put here a square. Now we have to delete this sprite. Now we have to put a line in the center of this circle. And now we have to go to circle and then put here a small circle between. So now we have to make goal post. So we will make rectangle, and now I will change this color. I will put it red, or you can also take blue or any other color. Now I will go to select and copy this and then paste, and same I will do at the other side. And now I will change this color. Now I have to go to fill. First we have to select this, then I will make it blue. So the color has been changed. So here you can see our backdrop has been completed. So now we have to take our sprite. So taking the sprite, I will go to this icon. I will take Ben. So I have selected my sprite and I will put his size 60. Now I will take a football. It is so I have take a football or a soccer ball here. I will set its position 0, x0 to y0. I will make it small, so I will make it size 80. So now it's perfect according to its size, and the character is also perfect. And I also decided to add a start button. So first adding the start button, we have to take the button sprite. We have to take its x 0 and y also 0. So start button position has been done. Now go to costumes. I will delete this one. And now we have to click on this text sprite and we have to change the color of our text. I will make it black and right here start, and I will put it at the center and adjust its size according to button. So I have take the start button, and now let's code the start button. So first I will go to events, then I will drag when means I click and go to motion. I will go to x, y, 0 and 0. Now I will go to looks with here show. Then I will also go to blue event, new message. I will type here start. And now I have make our message start. So you can see here we have make that. So I will take here when this flag clicked broadcast start, and then I will go here and then hide. So why I have take these blocks to make start? So it means when we click on these flags, its position will be set X and Y to 0 and it will show in our screen, and when we click on this flag, it broadcasts start message, which means the game starts, and then it will hide like in real games. You can see here. So our start button is working, and now let's make the code for ban. So I will select the ban spec. I will go to when green flag events, when green flag click, then look and hide. I am hide ban here because when we green flag clicked here, so only start button appears and all sprites will disappear. So to make this code perfectly, I have take this. Now I will go to events again. I will when I receive start, I will go to motion. I will take its position y0 and x minus 200. So now I will go to look. I will drag here show. Then I will go to control. I will drag here forever block. Then I will take if then block, and I will go to sensing, and then I will put here then right arrow key pressed, go to motion, change x by 5, and I will copy it, duplicate and paste it here. I will make it left arrow key and I will make it -5. So it helps our character to move right and left, and now also make the code same for up and down. We have to change it to change y by 5 and change y by -5. And now we have to also change their up and down. We have to put here up and it's there down. So I will go to band costume here, and I will delete all these two, but I will take these two because we need it but two side, and then I will go to looks. I will put next costume in every if then block. Now I will go to motion and I will take if on edge then bounce. It means when our character touches the edge, it will comes to its position back, and I will set its rotation style, don't rotate. So this character has been completed. Now I will take the duplicate Ben 2 and I will go to its costume and now go to select and flip its position, and also changes the colors of its costume. I have decided to make it blue. I will take blue, then fill. Now some dark. Now next costume. Now I will take the same one and go to here. So you can see our character has been done. So we have to do nothing but changes its key, because if I will put same keys, so the movement will be same in both characters. If we push right, so the both character move to right side. So I will decided to change it. I will make right side D, and I will make left side A, and upside W, and downside S. Our two characters has been done. Now we will go to soccer ball. I will make a variable, and I will make two variables. First goal, and second goal 2. So the goal will be this side, goal 1 will be this side, and goal 2 will this side. So first I will make a large readout for both. Now I will go to events, when green flag clicked. Now then variables, now hide goal, and then at the downside hide goal 2, and then go to looks, and then hide. So now I will go to events, and I will drag when I receive start. I will go to variables. I will take show goal 1, and down 1 show goal 2, and now I will drag set goal to 0, and set goal to 0. It means if red team has scored 7 points and blue team has scored 8 points, so when I will click on this flag, so their scorecard will be 0. So now I will take its position, that will be go to x0 and y0. I have also take position, and now I will go to looks, and I will take show block. It shows that when we click on green flag click, so our all sprites will hide except button 2. But when we click on start button, so this start button will disappear and all sprites will appear. So now I will go to motion. I will take here pointing direction 90, and now I will go to operators. I will take here pick random -180 to 180. So now I will go to control. I will take it forever, that it block is used for performing a task. For repeated, I will take move 10 to, I will put here move 6 steps. Now I will go to again control. I will take if then block, and then I will go to sensing. I will take if touching then. So go to motion, ball towards band 2, and then I will take their turn operators. I will take this 150 to 10, and I will copy this, and now I will put their band 2 and their band and their -150, and go to motion, and I will put here move 3 steps in both sides. Now I will go to control block. I will drag here if then block. I will go to sensing. I will drag here, touching color, and we'll go to this icon. This icon helps us to take color, and now I will go to variable. I will put here change goal by 1. Now I will go to control. I will put 0.1 second up change goal by 1. I will go to motion, and I will go to x 0 y 0. Now I will copy. Now I will duplicate block, and but changes the color, and now also change goal. I will take goal 2, and then I will take if on edge, then bounce. It means when our soccer ball touches the edge of our backdrop, so it will bounce. So our game has been completed. So let's take the review of this game. अच्छा, पोजीशन सेट करना भूल गया. So friends, I have made some mistake there. I forgot to make it 200. So I will recorrect it now. Now it is 200. Now it's okay. So the game works as like it's. So friends, our game has been completed. If you want to learn more games, so like and subscribe to my channel. Friends, bye. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.